Hi Sumangala,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm fine. This is Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sumangala, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Sumangala Hiramat. I am from Gadag. I have completed my BTech degree in Tontadarya College of Engineering.
Have you got to know about CMTI?
Seniors, ma'am.
Okay. In CMTI, which course you have taken?
Construction Management course. CACL.
What you learn in that course?
I learned many things in CMTI, ma'am. Basics of freshers.
Okay. What are the softwares you have learned?
SketchUp, AutoCAD, Revit.
So, have you visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am. I visited various sites.
What are the site and showroom visit you have visited?
Rainwater harvesting, some interior visits, ma'am.
Okay, what you learn in that?
Basics, ma'am.
Okay, Sumangala. So, have you used our CMTI app?
Yes, ma'am. I used CMTI app.
How is it was helpful to you to crack the interview?
Ma'am, it was helpful, ma'am. We missing any sessions, they will provided in online also.
So, how was the coordinator and trainer support towards you to crack the interview?
They are good coordinator, ma'am.
Okay. How was the classes?
Classes was good, ma'am. All are friendly with me.
So, for which role you have selected?
For valuation role,
How many rounds are there?
2 rounds, ma'am.
2 rounds. What were the rounds?
HR round and personal interview.
Okay. So finally, Sumangala, what you want to tell your friends and juniors who wanna going to join the CMTI?
CMTI is a good platform for our freshers to basic knowledge.
Okay. Okay, Sumangala. Congratulations for your placement.
Thank
So
you.
have a bright future.
Okay, thanks.